y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing one of those remedy hacks of mixing vinegar and water to clean your microwave, so stay tuned. This is really embarrassing, but I was waiting for it to get like this so I can show you that this hack works. I know, don't mind it, it's really gross, but we're gonna do the hack mixing vinegar and some water together to clean this up. In 1, 2, 3. So you want to use a bowl or something that you can place in the microwave. I suggest using something like a Tupperware that's old or something like this that you're not going to use anymore. And you're going to need 2 cups of water. And then you're also going to need some vinegar. And to be honest with you, I just eyeball it. I would say add about 2 tablespoons into it. Next, we are going to place our mixture inside the microwave and we're going to heat it for 5 minutes. I also forgot to mention you need a scrub like this to help scrub all the residue that you're going to be wiping away. When it beeps, you want to let it sit there for 2 minutes before you actually open it up. It's been 2 minutes. Then you want to carefully remove your mixture before you start wiping down. You also want to carefully remove the glass tray and place it in the sink until you're ready to wash it. Be careful when you're dipping in your sponge because the mixture is really hot. Then you want to scrub in circular motion all throughout the microwave. As you can see, it's slowly starting to come off. You can already tell right here. Look at what a difference it's starting to make. Alright, y'all, and this is what it looks like. I would say this vinegar and water hack does work. I was even able to clean off some of the residue off of here. And then I would also suggest using the same scrub to clean the glass plate. I just inserted the glass plate. It's still a little wet, as you can see, so I'm going to heat it up for about 15 to 20 seconds so it can dry out. Alright, y'all, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Go show me some love, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.